Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain parts and buttons on Vive Focus Vision. HTC Vive Focus Vision comes with these controllers, and first take a look at them. Both of them are really similar. One is for the left hand, the other one is for the right one, and they have this trigger which you can press with your index finger. Then this is the shoulder button. You can press it with your middle finger or any other one depending on how you hold it. And here you can see this stick which you can move or click. B and A buttons on the right controller and Vive button on the right controller. They also have this strap which you can put on your hand and a USB-C port. Also, this is the light that indicates charging, discharge, and if the controller is on. On the left one, it also has the triggers, the top and the shoulder one, and the stick, the light, the USB port, and the hand strap, but it also has this menu button instead of Vive button and X and Y buttons instead of A and B. And now let's move on to the headset itself. The headset has this top strap which you can adjust, this back strap with the back cushion, and this back strap can be adjusted with this quick adjustment button, so you can untighten it easily. Then you can use this scroll wheel to tighten it precisely. You can take this cushion off, and underneath is the battery which can be taken out. And the battery also has a charging port on the top of the back part of your headset. Here is where you charge your battery, and here is a button with lights which indicates the charge level, and also this button turns on the headset. Here on the left and right side are speakers. Then there is a light that indicates if your headset is on, if it's charging, and more. Here are different sensors and cameras. And now let's move on to other buttons. This is the action button, which you may sometimes need to press to confirm something. Here is the volume button. You can click here or here to adjust the volume. And on this side, on the right side, you can see this USB-C port as well as a jack port for headphones. And if you need one more USB-C port, then you can find it under this cover. Open the cover and then see the port. Then inside of the face part, there are lenses and sensors that will automatically adjust your IPD. Then there's this cushion which you can take out in order to either exchange it, clean it, or put a glasses spacer that's included in the box. You can see that there is a glasses spacer, and if you wear glasses and need more space in between your face and lenses, you can put this glasses spacer in between the headset and the face cushion. And these are all of the parts on HTC Vive Focus Vision. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.